Hi everybody. Today I would like to talk about and do a little tapping on back pain. And first let me just say that EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique, also known as tapping, is not a substitute for seeking a medical doctor and seeking medical attention. So any type of pain that you might be having, please go get it checked out. But sometimes when we experience back pain, it could be because either we hurt ourselves, we were injured, or sometimes you ever notice if you're stressed about something, your back might start to hurt. And so think about that. And I know for myself, sometimes I didn't even do anything. I didn't fall, I didn't get injured, I didn't twist, I didn't lift anything too heavy, and my back starts hurting. So what I'd like for you to think about, if you do suffer from back pain, or you know of somebody that does, but for yourself, think about, when did this back pain first start? I mean, think about, was there an incident around it? Did someone say something that hurt you? Was there something that you witnessed that was upsetting to you? So just keep that in the back of your head when we do this, all right? And again, if you have any questions, just shoot me a message and I'd be more than happy to discuss it with you. So this book, I love this book. It is, I don't know if it's coming out backwards on the video. It's by the author Louise Hay, How You Can Heal Your Life. And she believed that there were some probable causes, those are her words, that may cause physical ailments, pain, or diseases. So I'm going to read what she says, what might be probable cause for back pain. So the back in general represents the support of life. And a positive affirmation to say, I'm just going to look through this book while I'm talking. A new thought pattern, like I say, a probable cause represents the support of life. And a positive affirmation, I know that life always supports me. So let's say you're having an issue with your lower back. Her thoughts are that might be a probable cause for lower back problems: fear of money, lack of financial support. And what she says a new thought pattern could be for that is, I trust the process of life. All I need is always taken care of. I am safe. For the middle back, the middle of the back, a probable cause for that kind of pain may be guilt. Stuck in all that stuff back there. Get off my back. And a new thought pattern could be for that, I release the past. I am free to move forward with love in my heart. Does any of this ring true to you? Because I remember I was reading about the middle back, and my middle back had been hurting me. And when I read that, guilt, stuck in all that stuff back there, get off my back, something had happened. Somebody had a reaction, and it was familiar to me for other past things that had happened. And then all of a sudden, I have this terrible pain in my middle back. Okay, so now the upper back. A probable cause of upper back pain: lack of emotional support, feeling unloved, holding back love. Does that ring true for anybody? And then a new thought pattern for that may be, I love and approve of myself. Life supports and loves me. So now that we went through that, and again, keep those thoughts in mind. Has anything come up for you? If so, you might want to take a moment and jot that down. So while we tap, I may be using words that might not work for you. So you insert the words that you feel more represent what you're going through. Okay? So I'm going to try to keep this book open so I could use these affirmations. Give me a second. Okay. So let's do on the side of our hand. This is the karate chop point. And just tap gently. And again, with tapping, keep in mind you can do tapping with your eyes open or with your eyes closed, whatever you feel comfortable with. Sometimes I like to close my eyes. You can do imaginary tapping, just listen along or watch the words that I say. Well, you can't close your eyes if you're going to read the words, or if you're listening with headphones. You don't actually have to tap, but it is quite effective. Okay, so let's get going. On the side of the hand, karate chop point. Even though I have all of this back pain, and be specific where your pain is. Is it in the middle? Is it on the right or the left? Is it sharp or stabbing? And also right now, where are you at with your back pain? Is it a 10, meaning the worst pain ever, or a 0, no pain? So think about that as we get started. Deep breath in and let it out. Release. Even though I'm having all of this back pain, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Deep breath in out. Even though I'm having all of this back pain, and it hurts, and it's so debilitating, I completely accept and respect how I feel. Deep breath in and out. Even though I'm having all of this sharp, stabbing, dull, or achy back pain, I forgive myself, and I'm willing to move forward. Let's take a deep breath in and out. You see my laundry back there? I'm going to do the shirt. Let's move this a little bit. Okay. Deep breath in through the lower abdomen and let it out. Any feelings coming up yet? If they are, that's good. Okay. Eyebrow point. Just tap gently one hand or two hands. It doesn't matter, right hand or left. I have so much guilt. And I just wish some of these people would get off my back, side of the eyebrow, or side of eye. I don't like what they said to me. It brought up some really old feelings under the eye. I don't feel very supportive. I feel unloved under the nose. And sometimes I even hold back my own love with people that I do love. Chin. I really don't have enough money. Collarbone. I can't believe those people said those things to me. It made me feel guilty. Under the arm. Now you could do under one arm or two arms if you could do it. Let's just do one. I don't feel very supported emotionally. Wrists. I wish those people would get off my back and just love me. Top of the head. I just want this back pain to go away. Take a deep breath in through the lower abdomen. Breathe out through your mouth. Where are you at right now? Where is that number? Did it go down? Did it go up? Sometimes it can go up, so that's okay. Now, if it's gone up too much and you're feeling too overwhelmed, you could just touch the points and breathe. Well, let's keep going. Eyebrow point. This sharp, painful back pain. Side of eye. This throbbing, aching back pain that keeps me up at night. Under the eyes. It hurts to move. Under the nose. I don't know what to do anymore. Middle of the chin. All of these feelings of guilt, feeling unsupported, lack of financial support. Collarbone. I'm being willing to release this back pain under the arm. I'm being willing to release all of this fear. Wrists. I choose to allow myself to move freely and joyfully. Top of the head. I am being willing to feel worthy of feeling healthy. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Has your number gone down? I hope so. Let's keep going. Eyebrow point. I'm choosing to have a comfortable feeling back, side of eye. I'm choosing to feel joy and hope under the eye. I'm choosing to let go of this tightness that I feel in my back. Releasing the muscle spasms. Chin. Every time I take a breath, I release more and more pain. Collarbone. Taking a deep breath and out. Breathing in. Relief and clarity on what my issues are. Under the arm. Choosing to see what my next step is to help myself. Wrists. Choosing to release all pain and anxiety in my back. Deep breath and out, and top of head. And choosing to have a free moving back and body right now. Let's take a deep breath in and out. Has your pain shifted? Sometimes it does that. Sometimes it moves to another area of the body, so start tapping on that. What has come up for you? Have other issues come up that you weren't sure that you even had? That's a good thing, and those are things that you can tap on. If you're unsure of where to go next, or you're having feelings that seem overwhelming, again, touch and just breathe through the points. You don't have to even think about any words to say. If you're still having difficulty, please contact a medical doctor. Let's make an appointment to help you to work through and release these pains that you're feeling, or at least to help you gain clarity as to what your next step is with your pain. Also, I love EFT and it works fantastic for me, but I also seek out other holistic practitioners to help with back pain and any other pain. A great technique with a certified practitioner is called active release technique. And usually chiropractors, physical therapists, they get certified in that. So I find a combination sometimes of holistic techniques works really great. And also in seeing a practitioner, an EFT practitioner or a licensed mental health social worker or a psychologist, any of those professionals would be great to help sort through this, and of course your medical doctor. All right, so if you have any questions, any concerns, please send me a message, and I hope you're having a wonderful, joyful, pain-free day. All right, everybody, have a great day. And this video is a little longer. I should have said that at first. It's close to 15 minutes. So enjoy, and I'll see you soon. Bye.